but it's just valid enough maybe to create some space. But my mission is to get this arm to the man, or get out, you know. So if he's leaning back, you can go here, you can just crush it. But now I have my elbow to the man, and I can fight. Sometimes he keeps the head a little bit here. Look, I can't get it. Whatever I do here, I try to push. But here, he holds it. I might be. I just bump here, I bump here. It's a fight. But look, I use this cross face here to scoot, get my elbow out. But it's not, look guys, it's not a magic. I can't do a death touch and get Eric Beidock off me. I have to fight.
That'd be nice if you could.
Yeah. No,
I love you, Eric.
I just said, there's a burger there. No, but the thing is, like, if he holds, I'm going to have to fight really hard to get out. But that's mechanics, you know. There's not one magic way to get out. So I'm going to have to fight. Scoot. He gave it to me. But that's the idea, you know. And sometimes the guy's 112 kilos. And if you weigh 70, you're going to have a bad day. You're going to have a bad day. But this is it gives you a reasonable chance when all things considered. However, it's not a magic touch. It's going to take a lot of just static strength, a lot of timing to get out. But if you know a better one, you know, it's open. Please let me know. You know, this has worked for me. Okay, guys, thank you so much for your time.